first dragon for their team.
Now with both junglers in the top lane, we could see a little bit of a battle here. CC coming through, dive going out. Tay underneath the turret gets charmed up. However, they don't have the health bars to continue the chase, continue looking to make the play here. Sheeny going in, goes for the body slam into the cask. They have applied the harpoon and Shadow. Oh no!
What?
That is a misclick that you are going to be feeling later on. Put the sad emote above your head. A tragic misplay for Tay.
You hate to see it. You never like to see that happen on the